is there, in Japanese.
ありますか
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more smart language goodies. Today you'll unlock the tiny power question is there, in Japanese that's.
ありますか
Think of it as gently knocking on possibility's door. Ready to get shops, stations, and menus magically helpful? Your goal today. Master one line so useful you'll use it all trip long. By the end, you'll confidently ask for maps, snacks, and Wi-Fi using.
ありますか
And you'll know when to switch to.
いますか
For people and animals. Pattern and forms. Say it with me and feel the rhythm. Pattern. Is there X?
X はありますか
Any.
何かありますか
Polite opener.
すみません。
Excuse me. Negative reply.
ありません。
There isn't. People, animals take.
いますか
Not.
ありますか
Closing parenthesis. Mini dialogues on the go. Imagine you're out and about, point, ask, smile. Mall map moment. You.
すみません。近くにトイレはありますか
Clerk.
はい、あります。
Station check. You.
駅で、今日は東京行きの電車はありますか
Attendant.
はい、あります。
Menu scan. You.
メニューで、ベジタリアンの選択肢はありますか
Server.
あります。
Cafe tech. You.
すみません。Wi-Fi はありますか
Barista.
はい、あります。
Comedy break. You ask a vending machine.
コーヒーはありますか
It beeps as if to say, press the button first. Rhythm drill. Clap it in. Clap, breathe, ask, keep it light and polite. Is there Wi-Fi? Say.
Wi-Fi はありますか
Clap, clap. Is there water? Say.
水はありますか
Clap, clap. Is there a map? Say.
地図はありますか
Clap, clap. Is there a seat? Say.
空席はありますか
Clap, clap. Culture tip. Polite works wonders. Tiny politeness, big results. In Japan, start with.
すみません。
Add your request with.
ありますか
And a gentle head tilt with a small open palm gesture. Convenience stores and stations hear this all day. It's friendly, clear, and effective. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Answer out loud before I reveal it. Q1. How do you say, is there, in Japanese? A.
ありますか
Q2. Translate. Is there a restroom? A.
トイレはありますか
Q3. True or false. Use.
ありますか
For things and.
いますか
For people, animals. A. True. Q4. Fill the blank.
水はアンダーバーアンダーバーアンダーバーアンダーバー
A.
ありますか
Q5. What's the polite opener meaning, excuse me? A.
すみません。
Your challenge. Time to use it in the wild, micro missions for today. At home, practice 3 times with real objects. Is there water?
水はありますか
Next, tech check. Is there Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi はありますか
Map quest. Is there a map?
地図はありますか
Memory boosts. Rhyme it. Is there? I dare.
ありますか
Ask a flare. Loci trick. Imagine a doorbell labeled.
ありますか
You press when you need something. Bonus. Hear the rising ka. Practice in a mirror to keep your intonation friendly. Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, tiny phrase, huge superpower. Thanks for listening. Keep asking confidently with.
ありますか
And don't forget the friendly.
すみません。
Practice a couple of times today, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun English Japanese lessons and resources. See you next time.